Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear students. Madni Primary Urdu School, Jogeshwari-West. Time Poems, Standard 4, Subject English, Unit 3, page number 33. Students, listen, repeat, read aloud and sing. The day. 12 good hours in every day, time for work and time for play. 12 good hours in every day, time for work and time for play. 24 for day and night, some for darkness, some for light. 24 for day and night, some for darkness, some for light. The month. 30 days has September. 30 days has September. April, June and November. All the rest have 31. Except February alone. That has 28 days clear. And 29 in each leap year. Old man, moon. The moon is very, very old. The reason why is clear. The reason why is clear. He gets a birthday once a month. Instead of once a year. The moon is very, very old. Thank you.